assessment. Okay, for this assessment, all I'm going to have you guys do is I'm going to have you guys embed your project onto your portfolio that you made earlier this semester. You're going to embed that thing on your portfolio. You're going to type a couple sentences, and then you're going to share that assignment to Schoology. So first steps first, okay, we need to open the assignment. So I've put it under here. It's called Unit Assessment, Update Your Portfolio. You're going to click on this guy, and it's going to come with a series of instructions, okay? So first thing you got to do is embed your Scratch race car project and any other projects you have completed onto your portfolio. I definitely want to see that race car project. If you got other projects you did before that, you can also add those. Feel free to add them. Number two, write one well-constructed paragraph answering the unit reflection questions about your favorite project. Use complete sentences. Number three, publish your portfolio and share a link to Schoology. Okay. And then below that, you got the unit reflection questions for when you're typing your paragraph. So first things first is I'm going to start by opening my portfolio. So you guys made one of these a while back. If you joined the class late and you need assistance making a portfolio, please let me know. But the easiest way to find the portfolio is if you start it in your Google Drive, then you can get to it that way. Or if you're struggling to find it, which I know some people do, if you click up here and you go to scroll down to Google Sites, it'll put all your sites on there, okay? And it should be one of these that pops up, all right? See, the one I'm going to use is right here. So I'm going to open it up. Once you get in your portfolio, you're going to create a new page. So I'm going to go to Pages. I'm going to go down here to New, and I'm going to create a new page. I'm going to call it my sixth grade coding page. I already have one on there, but whatever. I'm going to show you guys twice, okay? So my sixth grade coding page, I'm going to hit Done. And now it shows up right here, okay? So I got the page here and there's nothing on it. First thing I want to do is I want to add my Scratch project to it. So I'm going to go up to here to Scratch. I'm going to go into this little file that says My Stuff, and I'm going to find my race car project. I'm going to click on this guy. It's going to load up. And then up here, it might ask you a question about sharing it. You're going to hit yes, please share. It usually yellow pops up. Then you're going to go down here to copy link, and you're going to click on that. And then you're going to have two things. You're going to have the link and you're going to have the embed code. We're going to use both of these things. So I'm going to highlight this. I'm going to copy the whole thing, or if you copy this, it'll copy to your keyboard. Then all you got to do is go to your portfolio, double click, go to these yellow little triangles here, and then Control V and paste it in there. Oops, I'm sorry, that's URL code. Make sure you type where it says embed code, hit Control V, and then hit next. Give it a moment. It might take a minute to think about it. And then all you got to do is hit insert. So now when people go to your page, they can actually play your race car game. Okay. You might need to move this out, kind of adjust it and make that look pretty. Okay. So that's how you embed it. The other thing that I would do, just to make double sure that everything's on there, is as a backup, I would go and copy this link right here. Copy the link. Go back to your portfolio. Double click down here. Hit how are we gonna do this? Let's do text, and then maybe you just paste the link. Maybe you say link. Oops, wrong keyboard. Link to my Scratch project, and then if you highlight this and you hit the paperclip, and then you paste that link in there, Control V, hit apply. Now you have two things. Now they can play your game here, or if it's not working or won't load up here, they can click on your link right here, and then it should take them to your page. Next thing you need to do is number two is you need to add the questions to your slide. So if we look back, number two says write one well-constructed paragraph answering the unit reflection questions about your favorite project. Use complete sentences. So again, we're going to go back to our portfolio. You can go either beside it or below it or above it, wherever you would like to put it. Just make sure it's somewhere in the close vicinity. Double click, hit text, and then give it a title. Call it My Scratch Race Car Game. And then maybe you bold it, you underline it, put it to the center, make it look pretty. Then hit the enter key to go down, and then you can start typing your questions, right? I think the first one is, what did you make? Say, let's turn off the bold and the underline. Say, I made a scratch race car game. Cool. And then you just kind of talk about it, and then you go ahead and you answer the questions from the assignment. Okay. So those questions are, what did you make? What did you learn? Just tell me one to two things. What was the hardest part of this assignment? And if you were to do this again, what would you add or what would you do? Okay. A big part of the engineering process is identifying like next steps or ways that you could use it in the future. Okay. And then final thing you need to do is publish your portfolio and share it to Schoology. This is where some people get confused. So, first thing you need to do is after you've done making changes, you're going to go up here to where it says publish, and you're going to hit publish. You're going to see the it's going to show two sides. I don't know why these are different, but it's going to show two sides. You just hit publish, you hit publish again, and this is kind of the way it saves. Okay, so you publish again. Now it's saved. Now it's updated. I'm still on that page, so I'm going to go up to this link where it says copy publish site link. You're going to click on that. You're going to go to copy link, and then you're going to go up to Schoology, and then you're going to turn it in as a comment, right? You're going to go to the comments, you're going to hit Control V, and you're actually, I wonder if we can do it this way. A link to my project. I wonder if it'll let us do this. Sometimes it doesn't. Oh, it won't. Okay. So once you get in there, all you got to do is Control V and paste the link and hit post. And now it's on there. Oh, it hyperlinks it by itself. Okay. So now when people go to this thing and they click on it, it should take them straight to your page and they can kind of see what you made. Okay. They can hit play, they can play your car game. When you see other people's links on there, feel free to click on them and play their game too. Okay. Once you've done this and once it's all done, you're good to go on the project. And that's it. So I know there's a lot of steps in here and there's kind of a lot of stuff. So take your time, watch the video. If you need to watch it twice, watch it twice. Feel free to use that pause button. Okay. There's a lot of information. So let me know if you need any help. Good luck.